One of the real interesting things about living in Lake Chapala region of Mexico is the rainy season, which starts in usually middle to late May and lasts until the very end of September, where they get most of our rains in the evening, and the lightning and thunderstorms are quite spectacular. As you can see, some of the stuff that we're looking at on the video is really crazy.
Getting the big flashes. It looks like it builds up about every minute to minute and a half, and then releases the energy, and then we get the big light like that. That should be pretty loud. Oh, that's lots of bolts. Yeah, that's a fucking loud one. Oh jeez, here comes the rain. That's insane. I'm gonna flip the lights on the patio here.
It's a little, oh fuck! That's gonna be right on top of us. This is towards the west, and it's a long ways from here. You don't hear any thunder at all. It's just the light show. Yeah, it might be 30 miles away. Pretty big though. Yeah, pretty crazy. Very electric. Woo, that was a big one. I know I'm on the rooftop, but this shit's a long ways from me. Well, okay, I'm getting off the rooftop.